Phoenix, AP. The Arizona legislature on Thursday joined the growing list of Republican-led states to pass aggressive anti-abortion legislation as the conservative U.S. Supreme Court is considering ratcheting back abortion rights that have been in place for nearly 50 years. The House voted on party lines to outlaw abortion after 15 weeks of pregnancy, mirroring a Mississippi law now being considered by the nation's High Court. The bill explicitly says it does not overrule a state law in place for more than 100 years that would ban abortion outright if the Supreme Court overrules Roe v. Wade, the 1973 case that enshrined the right to abortion in law. The bill now goes to Republican Governor Doug Ducey, an abortion opponent who has signed every piece of anti-abortion legislation that has reached his desk since he took office in 2015. Florida lawmakers have passed a similar 15-week abortion ban early this month that Republican Governor Ron DeSantis is expected to sign. A bill in West Virginia failed to pass the state Senate by the time its legislative session ended earlier this month after passing the House. An Arizona proposal that would outlaw abortion after about 6 weeks has not advanced. A bill enacted in Texas last year allows private citizens to enforce the ban, and the Supreme Court refused to block it. Idaho's governor signed a copycat bill this week. Those measures are unique in that they allow private citizens to file civil lawsuits against anyone who helps someone else get an abortion after 6 weeks. It has made legal challenges difficult because the government is not involved in enforcement. The Arizona 15-week abortion ban bill contains no exceptions for rape or incest or for a medical emergency. I am becoming more frightened by the moment by this bill, Democratic Representative Mitzi Epstein said during Thursday's floor debate. I'm terrified that this bill would outlaw healthcare for a woman having a naturally occurring and tragic and horrible miscarriage, and they would not be allowed to get this health care. Republican backers said little during the floor debate. Minority Democrats have said the measure is unconstitutional and that any ban would disproportionately impact poor and minority women who won't be able to travel to states without strict abortion laws. But Senator Nancy Barto, the Republican sponsor of the bill, has said she hopes the High Court upholds Mississippi's law banning abortion after 15 weeks. The state has an obligation to protect life, and that is what this bill is about, Barto said during Senate debate last month.